So, hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the custom feature. Guys, if I show you how to add this product to the cart. Guys, you can see that as soon as I added this product to the cart, a custom message appeared here. So, how can you add this? If your requirement is to show a fixed message whenever any product is added to the cart, for that, you need to open your code editor. I have already opened my code editor here. So, guys, you need to search for a file named by button. I have already opened my by button file here. And you will find this same file for both the Dawn theme and the Origin theme. So, you need to open this file in either of them. After that, you will find a form tag in the Dawn theme. And then there is an input tag. This ends at line number 57. Below that, you need to add this single line of code. Similarly, for the Horizon theme, you need to add this code below line number 65 if you are using the Horizon theme. So, as soon as you add this product to the cart, like I am doing now, your custom message will appear here. Note, all sale items are final sale. Because I have fixed it here. If you look, I have given its value as all sale items are final sale, so I have added a fixed message. Now, whenever any product is added to the cart, this message will show along with it. The second method is based on tags. If you want your message to be fixed but only show for specific products, not all products, you can do it based on tags. Here, I have added this code. I added it just below the previous code in both the Horizon theme and the Dawn theme, where I had added the previous code. So, you need to add this code here. I have added this based on the message tag. Now, this message will only show for the products that have the message tag when they are added to the cart. I will copy this message and add it to this product. I have added the message tag to this product. Now, if I add this product to the cart, as soon as I do that, you can see a note message has appeared, customer tag message. This means the message appears for the product where we added the message tag. Similarly, we added the code for both the Horizon theme and the Origin theme. If I add this product to the cart in the Horizon theme, you can see the tag message shows up here. But if I add another product, this message won't appear. The third method is based on tag templates. You just did it based on tags, but if you want to do it based on templates, you can do that too to show custom messages. For that, you simply need to create a template at the product level. I have already created a template named message here. You need to create the same template for the Horizon theme as well, named message. After that, you need to assign it to the product where you want to show the message. There is an option for theme templates here. Once you assign it as message, it will be available for that template. Now you need to add the code. I have already added the code here. You can see that I have checked the template, and if it's message, the message value will show. This way, you can add it based on templates. You need to add it just below where you added the previous code. And in the Origin theme, add it below where you added the previous code. If I now add this product to the cart, you can see that as soon as I do, the message appears here, template message, because we added it based on the template. This was for the Horizon theme. If you add it to the cart in the Dawn theme, the message will show from the template as well. So, I'll add it to the cart in the Dawn theme. You can see the template message shows up here too. If you add another product to the cart, this message won't appear because we only assigned the template to this product. The fourth method is that you can show different messages for different products. For that, You first need to create a meta field at the product level. Go to Settings, and there is an option for meta fields and meta objects. Click on Products, and I have already created a meta field named Message here. So, you need to create a meta field with the same name. After creating the meta field, go back and add a value to any product. Let's say I add the value to this product. So, I have added the value to the meta field Message for this product. Now, if I add this product to the cart, the message that shows will be the meta field Message, meaning the value I set in the meta field will show. But before that, you need to add the code here as well. I have already added a single line of code here. You need to add this code just below where you added the previous codes. And similarly, for the origin theme, add it below where you added the previous codes. After adding the code, when you add the product to the cart, I'll refresh it first. Now, if I add this product to the cart, you can see the custom message appears here. Note, meta field Message. Similarly, this will work for the Horizon theme as well. If I preview the Horizon theme from here and add this product to the cart, suppose I add it, you can see the message appears. Note, meta field Message. So, if you want to show different messages for different products, you can use meta fields and set their values at the product level. This way, you can show different custom messages for different products, set values based on different tags or templates. And if you want to know more details about this, its benefits, why we should use it, and when it's used, you can read our article. The link to our website is in the video description, where you'll find the article link. And all this code will also be available there. So, guys, that was today's video. That's all for now. If you liked the video, like it, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.